Well, here's a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT convertible. Beautiful yellow. This really looks great. This is a great looking car. Unusual color combination too, but it's beautiful. Just 24,000 miles. Velocity yellow on the exterior, cashmere interior, cashmere convertible top. Looks great. And under the hood, 400 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed, yes, manual transmission. It's going to be fun to drive. Factory features include the $3,395 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you this is heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, auto-dimming mirrors, compass, universal garage door transmitter. This car also features the power top. It has OnStar, has a wonderful Bose CD-XM MP3 stereo with navigation. It has beautiful polished wheels, Velocity yellow tint coat upcharge, HID headlights, and dual-zone electronic climate control. The car features fog lamps, keyless entry and start, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, cruise control, ABS traction control, and active handling. Best of all, the car comes with a clean Carfax, and it's loaded with options. And this 2006 Corvette, as we said, shows just 24,508 miles. It's in good condition. The car's paint and body are in good condition. It has a great shine, and that convertible top, well, it not only looks beautiful on this car, but it is good, very good condition. Factory polished wheels are very good, and the interior of this car shows very good factory leather seats and steering wheel, very good door panels. It has some additions that include the Lloyd floor mats with the Corvette script and a riveted on metal license plate bracket with yellow frame. The subframe is corrosion free, and of course all of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at buyavette.net. So give us a call today at 770-414-5552. Talk to one of our experienced sales representatives, find out more about this car, and to see the pricing and more detailed photos, check the link right down below this video. It'll take you to all that information. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We ship nationwide every week, and we do online sales in a very experienced way. And that means you can buy online with ease and, more importantly, with confidence. So give us a call, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.